Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect your iPhone 15 Pro Max to a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now focus on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which you are seeing on screen right now. We will need a cable that is either USB Type-C to Type-C, or depending on the Mac computer you have. In this case, we have a MacBook Pro from 2015, and henceforth, we will require USB Type-A to Type-C. So let's now connect the iPhone itself to the Mac computer. So we have the wire here. We are going to connect this to the Mac computer. That's in the Mac computer. And now let's connect this to the iPhone itself. There we go. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. As you can see on the side of the Finder, we have my iPhone. Let's click on this. As you can see, we are now allowing it to synchronize. Once the sync has been applied, we can then import photos, music, media to the iPhone itself, and there we go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.